Hi and welcome to Car Mechanical. Today I'm going to take you through the repair I did to my 1993 Audi A3 with an AHF engine. I had a bad injector seal. Previous owner of my engine had taken the injector out and used a screwdriver. He'd left a gouge in the seating of where the injector went into. So what you're seeing here in a moment is the engine running and a bit of a hissing noise coming out of the engine. That's air rushing past the copper washer. So where it has been tightened up and torqued down, there isn't a complete seal between the two masonry materials and you get this hissing noise. So what you can see here is you can see first of all a latex glove that shouldn't be moving around whatsoever, but you can see that the engine combustion is pushing it up, and again with a piece of paper. There is a little bit of wind there, but that's mostly being pushed up by the excess gas coming out from the engine, and we want to get rid of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull the injector, and we can see the gouge hole that I've seen in there. I've tried to repair this previously by sanding down the copper washer. You can see the state it's in at the moment. You can also see how much soot I'm getting on the injectors, or the number 4 injector. And I'm going to be replacing the washer, but all I've done with this washer is sanded it down so it's got a flat surface again. I sanded down the inside of the injector chamber, or whatever you'd call it there. I put some sandpaper on the end of the bolt, and I've managed to clean up where that goes into. So rather than it being all gritted up like it was before, you can now see it's clean. The bit you can see on the edge there, that is exhaust compound. I was trying to sand it all the way down, but using quite a long bolt, probably about, I don't know, 12 to 18 inch bolt, and turning it, it managed to clean everything up. However, I wasn't able to get it flat, so I used some exhaust compound to fill the gap, and that has given me a solid seal. The other thing I did when I was doing this is I put an earplug into the combustion chamber gap, squeezed it up as tight as possible, put it in with some forceps, so while I was doing the sanding and cleaning up, no residue, no dust, no carbon, no crap, no paste got down into the combustion chamber. Once it was done, just used a pin and made it into sort of hook-like motion to pull the earplug out, and that came straight out. I did consider starting the engine to push it out, but there was also the risk that it might get sucked down. So I'm going to show you now the engine started, and it sounds like a diesel should do without that excess hissing noise. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped if you've had similar issues yourself. If you would like to see more videos, please like, subscribe, and leave any comments in the section below.